Hey, hey!
We're in a different area today, so
Look at us.
sadly I don't get a chair. I'm not good enough for
Do
one.
we need a lamp on?
That lamp doesn't turn on. I tried.
I think there's a light switch.
Is there actually? Wait.
Let's see.
I have to walk over to a door again.
This is the exciting part of the podcast. Does this light work?
It does.
Score.
Okay, the podcast is over.
Yeah, that was it.
Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Now I gotta edit. Roll. Roll credits. Roll. Okay. So first is quantum computers.
Well, welcome, right?
Oh yeah, I guess yeah.
You're welcome, bro. X versus Alpha. Here we are. I'm X. He's Alpha.
We should just do an edit where like we dap up, right?
Reads the code, sun reads the feed. One got the past, one got the speed. Heads up, watch now. What's next? What's now? Old school insight, new school wow. X versus Alpha, X versus Alpha. Father and son on the front line. Tech news talk, two views collide. X versus Alpha, let's take the ride.
Super good.
Edits into the theme song.
Yeah.
Okay. The theme's okay. This is after the theme song now. It's done.
Okay, good.
Okay.
That's a good one. I love that one.
I'll
Alright.
edit that for us. I gotta do it
So,
on my phone.
tell me what you're talking about. Quantum computers?
Yeah, there's a lot of them. There is a lot of different quantum computers. Microsoft has some. Google has, I think, the main one.
Yeah.
I'll put a picture of it right up here. We still have the center part to put pictures up. We'll just show a picture on the screen, and I'll just cut the video for a second. Well, this is the quantum computer.
Quantum computers are amazing.
Yeah.
Can you explain them?
So, in a normal computer, there's qubits, and basically, a 1 qubit can like read either 1 or 0.
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah, basically 1 bit. Or yeah, so a bit. So that's either 1 or 0.
Yeah.
And each bit can only read one of them.
Right.
But then to make a quantum computer, they're like, we'll make a qubit, which reads both at the same time.
Right. So it could be on or off.
I'll put a video of how, like, the difference between a normal computer and a quantum computer with, like, paths, basically, because if you do, like, a quantum computer and a normal computer in a maze, basically the way that they show it is the quantum computer will put, like, 10 different paths and just keep, like, sprouting different ways to go through the maze, but the normal computer will just go trial and error with one path.
Yeah, until it finds it. Yeah, so it could do things quicker, right?
Yeah,
but like amazingly quicker. Like for complex problems.
Yeah.
You can have something that would normally take a regular computer, even a supercomputer, like hundreds of years, right? And a quantum computer can do it in days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
In a normal search, an agent tries to search.
We don't have to.
Yeah.
So basically,
he'll put this up for you.
I'll put this exact video up without any audio, or I could literally just put it up and show them actually.
So when quantum computers become ubiquitous, will this be the end of cryptocurrency?
You can see how this is a normal computer. I don't know, because they could. They're working. They already have actual, like, I wouldn't say portable, but in the same like shell as a gaming PC. So a box, like shape. They have quantum computers, and it's only at a single school. And
I heard it will be the end of Bitcoin, of cryptocurrency in general, because cryptocurrency uses, some sort of cryptography.
Oh, my bad. There's 2 schools.
2 schools
that have it. It is Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute.
What is that about?
RPI, and the University of Southern California.
Oh,
And-
USC.
Yep.
Go Trojans.
And basically, so they do have the same kind of one as like Google kind of looking thing,
Hmm.
which is
It's rad. It's rad looking. It looks like it's from the future.
I'll just put a picture of it.
So what
For
happens if
anybody
we
who
take
can
an AI bot and run it on a quantum computer?
I don't know. I think it would. I think we should just take all the RAM out of them. Like we'll talk about the like building your own PC and stuff later. But like, it's rough. There's the RAM is getting crazy. I don't know what would happen if you put an AI bot in there. That would be very
crazy, right?
interesting. Yeah,
AI bot
it's very
with
interesting.
a quantum computer. I wonder what it would do.
I wonder if you could have it run it or something.
I don't
Tell
know.
us in the comments.
Yeah,
if you
tell
know
us what'll happen.
Tell us in the comments if you know anything.
The singularity.
see the
Will that
video.
be it? I don't know. Is that what happens? I'm not sure.
Also, we did just go to Newport the other day, and we recorded a lot of short videos. So go check those out.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We went to a statue garden.
There's a bunny colt.
Yeah.
We brought a Peep along. Like, it's like a little Peep stuffed animal. We'll put a picture of him right up here.
Yeah.
We had like a whole summer thing where we just put him on random adventures, and we actually lost him there, and then got him back.
Yeah.
It's like the Candy Peep.
Yeah.
It's just stuffed
I
animal.
was thinking about my
But-
first PC that my dad bought me. This is a little non sequitur, but when you were talking about PCs and RAM, I was thinking the first computer my dad ever got me for the family, not me personally, but the whole family had a computer, and it was a 128K Macintosh. It was the very first Macintosh that came out, and it felt like a supercomputer, but it only had 128K,
Yeah.
and it ran off floppy disks to do all your storage.
Yeah. When I went to DC, funny thing, I went to a store, right? And it was just like this small little gift shop. And it had a ton of I bought a shirt for my sister there, and I didn't buy anything else there. The shirt was like $50. It was insane. They get you with that. But
That's where they get you.
they had floppy disk coasters and
yeah.
floppy disk
Like 3.5 or 5?
just like
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I don't know, that big.
Yeah.
Like-
Like harder plastic, like a little bigger.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
exactly
So like
this
3.5,
size.
yeah.
This is the exact size. Yeah. So they had some floppy disks. It was very interesting. And another fun fact is they actually made a supercomputer using PlayStation 2s.
That's cool. How many PlayStation 2s does it take to become a supercomputer?
A lot.
Hmm.
It was 70.
Whoa. Okay.
And basically what they used it for was they only used it for one thing, and it was to make pixelated pictures unpixelated. And it was very interesting how it did it, because they couldn't afford a big, like, powerful supercomputer back then. And so they're like, okay, we're just going to get a ton of PlayStation 2s, because that's when it was released in 2003.
Mm-hmm.
And they're like, we can't afford it very much, so we're just gonna like release a PlayStation 2 console thing. And they used it for stuff. That's a small part of it.
Crazy.
And they used it for like building areas and everything, and to make the pictures of them unpixelated. And it did it like 1 pixel at a time, and it did it pretty quick. Honestly, It took like an hour each photo now, which was kind of crazy.
All right.
But it was able to do it like, maybe I'm wrong on that about how quick it was. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but it cost $50,000.
So we were talking about older tech versus newer tech, right? I was telling you about my first computer.
Yeah,
But also, like when I went to school, I had a separate like calculator. I had like everything had to be separate, right?
Yeah.
If I wanted a camera, I had to bring a camera. All
Mhm.
my books I had to bring separately. like huge backpacks full of stuff. But now you just bring a laptop with you everywhere you go, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
funny
that's
story.
pretty
We
much it.
still need a calculator.
Really?
And, but they give them to us at school
Uh-huh.
now.
Well, you also have a cell phone, but you're not allowed to use it in school. But
Not in
a
our school,
cell
at least.
phone is-
Not in our school. Yeah, because people still bring them out and cheat. I don't know.
Oh, well, they
I just
can't-
use my watch, you know?
Eh,
Some people actually do bring Apple Watches to school just to cheat.
So do you like the tech has gotten more compact, like that you have one device that's a camera, a calculator, a
Yeah, this
contact,
is
a
like,
phone,
this is everything I need,
yeah,
including a tablet.
that's true. Between that and an iPhone, right? You've got
Yeah.
everything you could possibly. You could run a whole business.
Some of the calculators are funny because there's I think, do you know about the TI-84
No, like
calculator?
Texas Instrument, like old
Yeah.
school.
Texas Instrument 84.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically you could run games on it.
Oh.
Because it had a micro SD card slot. So you're able to just run games on it. So people just like ran Doom and stuff on it, and they like ran Mario, and they ran all this stuff.
Crazy.
It's super funny.
I've never seen that before.
And they just, yeah.
So it says finding our next advanced project. What is that? What's our next advanced project going to be? Oh, building a PC?
Should we build one on, like, we should just do a live stream of us
I'd
building.
love to. If I had money, I would. If I had big money.
We forgot
Donate
to,
today.
wait,
Help us build
Yeah.
a PC online.
on our website, we'll put a buy me a coffee button. So actually, before we even say anything, we forgot to talk about that laptop that we were fixing, remember?
Yeah,
We didn't do much.
we did not.
We didn't really do anything. Our mom got it fixed with the people.
Yeah,
With
it was
people.
it was a work computer. We were gonna fix it. We were taken off the project because it's a work computer and not our computer to play with.
It is not. Sadly,
So,
it's actually more powerful than mine.
but we might have a project with an old.
It was a Dell XPS 14,
Yeah, I don't know.
15.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't remember. It was very thin, 2 USB-C ports. I forgot to check, actually.
but maybe we should do something with the Surface.
Yeah, we have an old Microsoft Surface Pro 3. I remember.
I'd love to turn it into an AI bot just for fun.
Oh, we could just like put it in the living room and make it like a smarter Alexa.
To us.
Oh.
Sorry.
It didn't activate, but I forgot that we have one here. What did you say about me? I'm not smart?
Online marketplaces. How do you find tech? When you're looking for tech, what do you do?
I think we already talked about this on one of our others, but we can do it again. I kind of just go on to Amazon, not there.
Do you feel like you're good at searching for tech?
Depends on what kind. I'm not great at searching for a lot of stuff.
I feel like you're good at finding new tech, and I'm better at finding a bargain with a good dealer.
Uh-huh. I think I'm like, if I wanted a good laptop, I could find like I found this laptop
Yeah,
on Amazon.
it's true.
It was renewed. I'm now realizing that it's very old. I think this one came out when I was born,
Really?
or 2015 or something. 2013, 2015. We made a joke when Keely was here, and Reese and Kenley were downstairs, and
Uh-huh.
we're like, "Oh, he's so." I said, Mike, yeah, he's old, and I'm like, he was probably born in like 1967, just to make a joke, and Kenley's like, no, he was born in 1970s, and I'm like, that doesn't help. I'm like, that doesn't help. That's only 3 years apart. She's like, he told me himself. He was born in 1970. I'm like, that doesn't help, Kenley.
Who were they talking about?
You.
Oh, me? I am old, but I was born in the 70s. Not in 1970 though.
No.
All right. So what else were we going to talk about? What's next? Lead us in.
Let's talk about some PC building. What are some good parts? What do you look for? Let's say, if you could have a dream PC, let's just say like specs. How much RAM, how much storage, what chip?
Look, I don't want a PC. I only want
No,
a
I'm talking
laptop.
about laptop or PC. I'm just talking about like specs. What do you want in it?
Okay.
I'm like,
I want
like,
the
don't mind.
best chipset you can get at the time. I want
That's
a lot
probably
of
like a
RAM.
Ryzen 9 7800X3D.
Yeah, and I want a lot of RAM, especially now because they integrate so much stuff into a motherboard, and I find it frustrating that you can't.
I want a Frameworks laptop, and I want to just straight give it to Dad because
Yeah,
he's
that's
very
cool.
annoyed with how there's no stuff anymore.
You
So I
can't
want
upgrade anything. Once you get a laptop, like what you see is what you get, basically. So there is no upgrades that you can do. You can't swap out a hard drive. You can't swap out memory. You can't swap out anything like you used to be able to.
Interesting thing with mine, I can swap out the RAM, the storage, and
But they're soldered in, so they don't really want you to swap it out.
my RAM isn't, or the storage.
Oh, I thought you said it was.
No, not mine.
Okay.
I thought it was, but that was on my last laptop. This one has a little pocket for the RAM, and it like plugs in like a normal PC.
Okay, just regular socket, yeah.
And it's actually super nice. And I saw a video of the guy swapping it out, and I'm like, that's super.
It's
And-
all integrated, so there is no swapping. Like whatever you got at the time when you bought it is what you're stuck with.
Interesting thing with mine too, I have a SIM card slot for some reason, and also an ID card slot
'Cause
or a
it's
credit card slot.
for work stuff. I
Yeah,
guess.
since mine is a 2-in-1, it actually works as a government laptop, and people used this in like government stuff because of that, or like like an office job or something.
like corporate
Yeah,
job.
people gave them to people for office jobs,
Yeah,
or they gave them a Dell,
yeah.
and stuff
Well,
like
it's
that.
probably
So
network security, or use your
yeah,
ID
it's
card
just
to
easy
log in.
to sign in, and it's
Yeah.
easy to wipe, and it's also for travel. That's why there's a SIM card.
All right, I feel like we probably already hit our 10 minutes.
I can check. We're at 16.
Yeah. So should we wrap it up for today?
I think so. I think we could just wrap it up.
All right.
We don't have much going on, so I think we could easily just wrap it up.
All right. Well, thanks for watching X versus Alpha. We are going to do some more shows tomorrow, probably. We're going to hit some fun stuff in LA, and we'll probably try and come up with some more shorts. So check it out.
We're going to LA. We're going to the Broad Museum and
Yeah. And
meet
maybe
us there.
Santa Monica Pier.
Meet us there. I'll edit it tonight, and I'll post it so you guys can meet us.
Yeah. Come to the Broad.
If we actually meet somebody that knows us, that would be super funny.
That'll be amazing. Yeah.
We got to them.
Yeah. We'll give you $20 if you find us.
No, we won't.
Oh. You can give us $20 if you find us.
We'll give you a thanks, and we'll ask for money.
All right, guys. Well, thanks so much.
You guys are supposed to give us the money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have an awesome day, night, and we will see you next time.
Oh, by the way, sorry for posting on Monday instead of Thursday. He was lazy, and
Was
we
lazy?
forgot.
I don't think that's accurate, but okay.
Yeah, he forgot, and he doesn't know what he's supposed to do.
Okay.
And
If that's what we're saying.
because he's old, and okay. Well,
All
bye.
right. I can't wait to see the screen art for this one. The thumbnail.
Oh yeah. Wait, you want?
I don't know what our topic's going to be, but his thumbnails have been fire lately. Don't you agree? I think they're amazing.
Wait, hold on.
That's all Hudson work, and I think it's great.
I'll show you right. I already made it.
Do, 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 do.
Do, 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 do.
Oh, I like it. That's nice. That looks rad.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you'll see it on the podcast. It's our thumbnail for today, and it looks awesome. Hudson's done a great job again.
Next time we're going to be talking about is social media brainwashing people or kids and people, yes or no?
We'd like to hear from you.
And
Let us
also
know.
go check out xversusalpha.com.
Yeah, we'll put a poll up about what you think. Social media is a brainwashing people. Never mind. I don't know.
Sorry for the intermission.
Okay, well, maybe not a poll. But
We'll see you next time. I need to mute our mics for that. Yeah, we don't talk about
You
that.
can do one on Facebook. Do we have a Facebook?
I don't go on social media.
Oh, because it brainwashes kids. All right, we'll see you next time.
We only have a YouTube, and I'm working on getting us a Spotify.
Ooh, Spotify. We're coming for you.
If you guys have any tips on how to, I've been figuring it out. I don't know how to put a video on Spotify. If you guys know
There's
how,
got to be a
I
way
would
because I
love
watch
it.
them on there.
I know. We could just do a video list, but I would rather have a video because this is what we do.
Yeah.
And by the way, this is literally just a ironing board. It has our mics on it and stuff. So.
Okay, don't give away all our trade secrets.
No, if you're wondering what this is, it's just an ironing board because we're in the guest room of our house.
Yeah.
Because we got kicked out of our normal of his room.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we'll see you.
Bye.
We just wasted 5 minutes.
Bye.
Bye.